Can I fire my rear end collision lawyer? Yes. Good afternoon. I'm Neil Burns. I'm a lawyer here at 6 Beacon Street in Boston, along with my partner, Roshan Jan. We represent victims of legal malpractice and personal injury. We've been representing victims of personal injury since 1985 and legal malpractice since we've been in this building, 1987. And we get calls a lot from people who say, can you represent us? We have another lawyer. We were rear-ended in a car accident, and the lawyer we hired is either a TV lawyer or a family friend lawyer, and we don't think they're doing a good job. First thing, again, we always say is please try to communicate with your lawyer, because there could be a good reason that you don't understand his or her strategy, but it also could be that they're just not doing a good job, or their personality, their strategy doesn't work for you. It's just not a good fit. But please call them first, because sometimes they're working really hard and getting the case resolved, and we don't need to get in the middle of that. You just don't need that. We're aggressive and we're effective only when we're needed. If you have a lawyer that's doing a good job, that's fine. But in a rear-end auto case, people think, well, I'm going to win. It's easy. It's clear. It's not. The insurance companies look at all sorts of things. First of all, they look at the damage to the vehicles. And the initial report from a police officer, maybe there's not much damage. There may be more damage underneath. It also could be that an airbag went off and broke the wrist of someone, like we have a case for right now, or broke the broke the elbow of someone. We have another case. There's lots of injuries that happen to people who are rear-ended, and the insurance company is not fair. You need a lawyer that's aggressive and that's effective and that cares about you and your case. And you need to work with him or her to make sure that your voice, your injuries are conveyed to the insurance company or the insurance defense attorneys or the jury effectively. If you're not comfortable, give us a call at Burns & Jan. But if you're not sure, first call your lawyer and see if you can work something out with them. Because rear-end auto accident cases, the first step of the case, that is there liability, is usually dealt with. That hurdle is usually gone over. It's usually easy to get over that hurdle, but that does not mean you have an easy case. Again, if you've had prior injuries to your neck or back and it's a neck or back case, they're going to go on that. If there's not a lot of damage to the car, they're going to go on that. If there's lots of damage, they could say you overtreated or that there's not enough insurance. You don't really know what the insurance defense folks are going to do. They're professionals at reducing their coverage, their exposure. That's what they do. And they sometimes call up and they get some words from you, some statements from you, and they'll use that against you throughout the whole case. If you're not comfortable with your lawyer, give us a call at Burns & Jan. If you can work it out with your lawyer, great. That's great. That's really the best thing, because you hired him or her, you trusted them from the outset, you can work it out with them. If you can't, give us a call. 617-227-7423. It's a free initial consultation. We would love to help you. We're effective, we're aggressive, and we care about you. Thank you.